Hey, hey, hey! Cooking with your girl Judy. Listen, today, y'all, I'm gonna be cooking some curry chicken. And I found my ground white pepper. Remember, I told you I couldn't find it anywhere. I have finally found me some in Walmart. And I'm gonna use this today. Okay? Okay, for the curry chicken, we will need chicken, chopped chicken, chicken thighs, a whole chicken, whatever piece of chicken breast that you want to use in your curry chicken, go for it. I'm going to use these thighs. I'm going to cut the bone out and take the skin off the back, and then I'm going to chop them up into small pieces. And because I like the dark meat of the chicken. And we'll need carrots. And I got the chopped up, sliced up carrots already sliced up. You can use regular carrots or whatever if you want to chop them up. Potatoes. I have 4 potatoes, and they're regular sized potatoes, and you'll need to wash them up real good before you slice them up. Peel them and chop them up. So 4 potatoes. I'm going to use, the vegetables I'm going to use will be the bell pepper, onion, spring or white onion. I could not find a Scotch bunny pepper. I guess they don't carry them. Well, I have actually checked in every grocery store in Sylacauga, Alabama to find the Scotch bunny pepper. The man at Piggly Wiggly said he would try to order them for me, so I'm gonna see what he can do. And I hadn't tried Publix. I bet Publix have it, so that's uh, about maybe 30 minutes up the road. So I'll probably ride up there one day and see if I can find some. And you'll need these vegetables here. You'll need fresh peeled garlic. I'm using this. I'm not using that fresh garlic that you have to chop up and everything, because I just make a mess of that garlic. So I'm going to use the garlic here and put it in the food processor and sort of get it chopped up really good. You'll need olive oil and about 2 tablespoons of butter. You'll need, I don't know if you pronounce this thyme or thyme. It's spelled T-H-Y-M-E, so I'm going to call it thyme. You'll need a handful of thyme. And the Better Than Bouillon chicken broth, I'm going to use this. I always go to this one, or if I don't have this one, I get the cubed bouillon. And but this is the one I really like. Okay, now the seasonings. You will need ground ginger, curry powder, bay leaves, garlic powder, paprika, ground allspice, black pepper, not anymore, ground black pepper, ground white pepper. I'm so sorry. This is something I have been looking for the last 4 or 5 months, and I finally found it. And I'm going to use kosher salt. And I'm going to season my chicken up in it after I get it washed up and chopped up in pieces. And then I'm going to let it marinate overnight. I'm not going to cook this chicken today. I'm going to let this chicken marinate overnight. So I'm going to get on to washing my chicken. And I wash my chicken in apple cider vinegar and just water. Just It's a good thing to do. It takes the impurities away from the chicken, you know, and all the little granulated particles and all that kind of stuff that's on chicken. White apple cider vinegar. Okay? So I'm going to go away and get this started. Okay, I'm going to show you how I'm taking the chicken, the bone off the chicken. I scrape it down like that. I take a serrated knife and cut the bone away from the meat. And then I take the scissors and cut it off also. This is for y'all who don't know how to, for those of you who don't know how to take the bone off. Okay, and the bone is off. And there was a lot of meat on that bone too. I'm gonna pull the skin away. And then I'm going to take some of the fat off. I don't want all the fat off. I'm just going to take some of it off, okay? This is my first cleaning of the chicken. Right here. The second part, I'm going to put apple cider vinegar and water and salt in it. I forgot to mention salt. But this right here is the first part. This is taking the bone away. Okay, I'm cutting it in 3 pieces. The thigh. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces. And I'm going to rinse it off a little bit more. I'm not going to take all the fat away. I sort of like fat on my chicken. It helps it cook better. Then I'm going to put it here. I'm going to do one more for you. Let me turn it off. Turn the water off. Scraping the meat off the bone. And I'm going to pull it a little bit. Then I'm going to go in and get that meat off that bone. Okay? Add the bone. Turn it back on. And I'm going to take the skin away. Pull a little of that fat off. Not much. I'll leave a little fat on there. On that meat. Okay. Now this was my sister cleaning this chicken thigh. She'd take all the fat off. She don't like no chicken thigh. She takes all the fat off. Okay. I'm gonna cut it in 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. And that's how I'm deboning the chicken thigh. You may know a better way of doing it, but this is the way I debone it. Okay, this is the meat from the chicken thigh. Now I'm going to put some apple cider vinegar. Don't you just hate when that happens? Every time you get ready to open something up, it don't never open up. Oh, now there. Okay. Put a little apple cider vinegar. About a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to put some salt. And that helps the chicken from smelling like chicken and take away all that old chicken is dirty. And it takes away the impurities of the chicken. Am I saying the word right? It takes away that anything slimy and trashy on it. And it helps it keep from smelling so much like chicken. And I'm going to mix it up. And I'm going to let this sit for about maybe an hour. And then I'm going to go back and clean it. And then I'm going to season it. Okay? And after I get through with this chicken, I'm going to go ahead on and wash my sink down. You know to wash your sink down with bleach, water, and dishwashing detergent. So, I'll be right back. Okay, time for the marinating. I'm going to put about a half teaspoon of thyme leaves. The reason why I'm doing half teaspoon of thyme leaves is because I have fresh thyme to go in the in this. So I'm gonna do about a half a teaspoon. And this is what we're gonna marinate it with. Ground allspice. About a half teaspoon. And by the way, I had about 7 chicken thighs that I deboned. So that'll make a little sense of how much stuff we are putting on the chicken. How much flavor. Okay, curry powder. About a teaspoon. Why not? Go with a tablespoon. Tablespoon. It's the main ingredient. Tablespoon. And we're going to use this again. Okay. Let's show you that curry powder. Tablespoon of curry powder. Ground white pepper. About a tablespoon. About a tablespoon. Ground white pepper. About a teaspoon of garlic powder. About a teaspoon of paprika. About a teaspoon of kosher salt. About a teaspoon of ground ginger. Then I'm going to put the vegetables, the onions, the bell peppers, the garlic, diced garlic. Let me see, onions, bell peppers, diced garlic, spring onion or white onion. I think that's about it in here. And I've got 3 different colors of bell peppers. And that's going to make it really pretty. So I'm going to put that in here also. And since I couldn't come up with a Scotch bonnet pepper, I am going to take this pepper and cut it. Take a few of them seeds out because the seeds make it really hot. I'm going to take and cut this in about maybe 6, 2, 3, 4. Let me see, 1, 2, 3. Let me see, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, I cut half of the pepper, took a few seeds out, then I cut it in 6 pieces. Then we're going to mix it all up. And I'm going to add some more paprika because I want it to be sort of brown looking, flavorful looking. I'm going to add more paprika. Even though paprika really don't have a taste, I'm going to put some more on there. About a tablespoon more. I'm going to put about a teaspoon more of curry powder. About a teaspoon. Okay. Now I'm going to put a top on it. And I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it sit overnight, 24 hours. And I'll be back.
Jamaican eggnog is like heaven to you.
Okay, we're back after 24 hours of marinating the chicken and the vegetables for the curry chicken. I'm gonna let you see the chicken. And this is what it looks like after 24 hours. Now I'm going to put the olive oil in the Dutch oven. I'm cooking a little rice also in the other pot. Okay, I'm gonna get the oven warmed up. I hope you can see that in that pot. And we're gonna add about 4 tablespoons of olive oil and about a half a stick of butter. So I'm gonna put the butter in the Dutch oven. And I'm so ready for this, y'all. After 24 hours, I am so ready. Half a stick of butter. And the olive oil. I got a lot of chicken, curry chicken over there, so I'm hoping it all fits in this pan, in this Dutch oven rather. And let me get a wooden spoon. And I'm gonna put about a. I'm gonna wait till the oil warms up before I put the curry powder in the Dutch oven. This is gonna season the pot, the curry powder, and it's gonna get it. Let me get a. Okay, this is gonna season the pot and make the chicken turn golden brown. And I'm gonna put like maybe a half a cup. Well, maybe a cup. I'm gonna put a cup in there because I've got a lot of chicken and I do want to get it all soaked in this curry. Now you're gonna stir it around until it gets like a golden brown. I'm gonna try to let you see it. Okay. And I've got bay leaves here, and we're gonna put like maybe 5 bay leaves in. Excuse me. I'm making a lot because me and my family, we're gonna eat on it for maybe 2 or 3 days. And this is a lot of chicken. I think I did about 7 thighs. I'm gonna put 2, 3 bay leaves in. How about 4? 5. I like the taste of bay leaf. I like to smell it cooking. And the curry's gonna turn sort of brown. And this is called seasoning the pot. And now I'm gonna put the chicken in. Oh, that smells wonderful. I can't wait till dinner time. And you're gonna stir it around. Get your chicken golden brown. And I'm gonna put thyme in there. Thyme. brother. I want to say it like it's spelled thyme, but it's called thyme. In the pot. And I got it up on high, so I'm gonna turn it on medium because I don't want the thyme to burn, the curry to burn. I'm gonna put it on medium. Okay, can you see all that goodness in that pot? And I'm gonna stir it around until it turns brown. Excuse me. For about maybe 15 minutes. And I shall be right back. Okay, I've changed tripods because I want you to really see this. This looks really, really good. My rice is done here in this pot. Well, I'm going to leave it on the stove, okay? And as far as that curry powder, don't put a cup. Put about a half a cup, because I looked at the measurement cup, and I realized I'm not putting the whole cup in here. I put about a half a cup. I don't go by measurements. I go by eyesight, eyeballing something. And it was about a half a cup. Okay. And I've got it up high. So I'm gonna go and let it cook for about maybe about 5 or 10 more minutes. About 10 more minutes. So far it's been cooking for 10 minutes. I'm gonna go and let it cook about maybe 5 or 10 more minutes. Okay, I let it cook for 5 more minutes. And now I'm getting ready to add my potatoes in. And I have some chicken broth here on the back just in case I have to add it to it. But the onions and everything has given off such a good liquid mixture to it. So I don't have to add the chicken broth, not yet. But I do have it back there on the stove warming up. And I'm going to add my potatoes. And my carrots. And it took about maybe about 20 minutes for the chicken to cook. And I'm going to let it cook about 10 more minutes. For the potatoes, I'm going to cover it up and let it cook about 10 more minutes with the potatoes and carrots in. Be right back. Okay, here's my curry chicken. And it looks delicious. I didn't have to add any chicken broth to the curry chicken. And I didn't let it cook too long where the carrots and potatoes are really breaking up. I'm gonna fix me a little bit. I'm gonna let it cool off. And I will be back. Oh, I'm forgetting about my rice. I need to put me a little scoop of rice on the side. Okay. And I'm just going to put a little scoop. There you go. And I'm going to let it cool off and I'll be right back. I'm going to try it with you guys. Okay. Here is my curry chicken with rice. I've done let it cool down a little bit. And I'm getting ready to try it. I don't know whether to eat it with a spoon or a fork. But I got both of them here, see? There's that fork. Oh, yeah. Oh, the juice is good. I can't wait to dig in. Wait a minute, that little piece want to hang on down there. Oh. Okay. This is good. This is so good. It's not too spicy. I guess because I didn't have the pepper. What do you call that pepper that I was looking for? I can't remember. But I'll think of the name of it for the end of the video. Yeah. That's got a good taste.
I'm gonna say the name.
You do?
Yeah.
You want to try some?
No, I just want to say it.
Okay. Not right now.
Okay.
Let me eat.
Okay.
Since you don't want none.
I want a banana.
This is so good. I am going to ignore that phone.
Granny. I want a banana, please. I want a banana, please.
Okay.
I said banana, please.
Okay. There's your banana.
Yeah, banana.
And I've got some plantains. I'm gonna make a video with plantains.
With those, cause
These are called big bananas.
yeah, and those stay nasty.
No, they big bananas. They just the darker the banana, the plantain, the sweeter it tastes, the better it tastes. This is so good. And it boiled down to nothing. We'll have something to eat today, and then we'll eat tomorrow. It's just me and my husband.
Me and her
So,
husband.
Yeah. And Skylar. Skylar here. Oh, this is so good. I don't even know if I took a picture of it. A thumbnail.
I need help.
That's not, no, wait a minute, wait.
Okay.
Okay. Stay hungry. Stay humble.
And
Be blessed. I done told you about this. Now shut up. Be blessed. And y'all have a good day. A grand day. Like, subscribe, comment to my curry chicken video. Let me get that big piece right there. Do you want that big piece? Oh. Okay. Me and Skylar forgot to tell y'all something. Y'all ain't got to go home.
Y'all just gotta get out of here.
Bye for
now.